50,000 Ghanaians. Sisi omuni bebite. Omuntimi ntinafie. Ebi makwatena Cote d'Ivoire, ebi akwatena Burkina Faso. Ewo eno omoko bo mo ho bra. Ebi da bonten, chesesabi o bebi kura ebi da, ebi nya dwane kura ni. All because tokwesi okrom ama President John Dramani Mahama yana bi so on kan wasem. Foreign Affairs Minister so on kan wasem. Chairperson of the Police Council and the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Professor General Opoku Agyeman, so on can was security.
All right, so Honorable Kujetu Ablakwa, the Minister of Foreign Affairs. So far, Kofono Move, Cote d'Ivoire for a report to say Ghana for over 48,000 people are refugees, are Ghanaian refugees in Cote d'Ivoire. It has to take the Cote d'Ivoire organizations but could you have not issued one statement or even one card, someone to know sitting up to now. But when the same thing was happening in Israel and Afghanistan side, as that time, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, you were there within 24 hours, calling on the government to do something, showing say, you care more about the people of Ghana at that time. Today, it happened in your own region, and you as a foreign minister and want to know utter one word. You couldn't utter one word or even write anything. And we have a vice president who is woman or bar or vice president who come her or bar ye kase or bar ye abadaya. Up to now, this woman has not come out to even utter one word. You will any man. But this woman as a vice president, as a first vice president, which is a woman, one cash. In some way, I'm not gonna for and this is almost my God. I got said, Ghana for Eka. A fast, now it is sad. It is very, very sad.
It is possible the state of insecurity our Ghana. In fact, you see one amana usuru. Ya can't assemble from day one. Ya can't on to say a report better want to say is there a peaceful countries within Africa. First, Naga Ghana number one. I can say Ghana the whole Africa. Ghana a country was some J. Then so name no can say a report better want to change. Say Ghana yeah number 7. Our Africa a country peace asum J woman. Yeah number 7 you free one. Ababedu 7. Then say in fact every afiwe asase ebesi the 9th month o mine emunjoy me na o kase ko piemu ewo eye bole areho na me ntokwa a sa conflict eba amaya misumo mu ye ba ye ma ne nkwala sabi omu na ni kamafo omu na ni kanafo me na o kase Ghana for yene Ghana for eti ekrom yentimi ntina ekrom o report eba about 50,000 Ghanaians sisi omu ni bebite omuntimi ntinafie ebi makwatena Cote d'Ivoire ebi akwatena Burkina Faso ewo eno omoko bo mo ho bra ebi da bonten chesesabi o bebi kura ebi da ebi nya dwane kura ni all because tokwesi okrom ama President John Dramani Mahama yana bi so on kan wasem Foreign Affairs Minister so on kan wasem Chairperson of the Police Council and the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Professor General Opoku Agyeman, so on can wasem. Security expert at Ghana, be so on can wasem. Media houses are who do our Ghana, be so on can wasem. In fact, on mind will be so on cash and your team. Who share topics of discussions across various national televisions. This one. Who said Tokwana said yes, was thrown a big camo. Minim the entire TV3, GH1, Channel 1 TV, Joy FM, UTV, or be silent when it comes to the conflict. I see I was thrown. Let me be so. Only Japan and national televisions no that discussion and Tokwa said yes, you were balling and imported a bad topic of discussion. I'm a man for tears here. I must say, you cry more the manutuma. I am a man for Tia Mukrana Sebi. I am a Bimukrakuma Tomuyem, a Bimunya Rachel, a prompt by net to soon say, Onya BB and Fam, not me percent, Mr. Samuel could you talk black one. Honorable, now we are August year, Israel and Palestine Tokwe. Oh, the near Magana could donate the ma Palestine. Some for more bra. Russia Ukraine was see offer blame free Ghana ko Ukraine e share Ukraine students ano me Ghana for e wo ho e ma Ghana for nyina hu se won ko ni pass se wo Ghana se wo kai wo abadaye edimo bia wo Ghana ha say won ko ana ye wona musa mekuje to ablakwa enko na wo abadaye na wo huna no ya wankasa wo krom wankasa wo man President Mahama krom entokwasi ebesi sabre enipa 50,000 sisi o my refugees our other countries won't me kran ko so wo kwhye wo mo enye Cote d'Ivoire fo na ebo wo mo eni Burkina Faso fo na age wo ma because sa anko fo we mo matu emma ne nkwala ne nkokora ene mrewa no anka ye fa no betina waka wa no automatic say woni Ghana say na me person be so chairperson of the police council the vice president Her Excellency Professor Jenando Pokwajima wadawru mo mpacho o country mu anase watu kwan anase se bio ebia won say because ama prat be ba be ka kire say tie twa gwa nyina won say enti ye kan media issue ama what say wadawru mo Bole delibru emma ne nkwala se bi omuntimi entna say wala wona we chairperson of the police council wadawru security sisi Ghana has a tide usoro no pa na usuru wo kwa adwuma usuru wo ko school usuru wo dadem kura na wa hwe no bia be ko to them because of the state of insecurity aban we atiswa na just enka wasem President John Dramani Mahama we dia wan kasa wo krom ena dali brubrubu edien na wo ka e dia kan me the situation down edien na wo ye e dia kan me the situation down e be se sabre yente wo ne wo ho e be se sabre yente aban mu nipa bia voice e wo ho edien na polefo aye edien na man nkwala aya omu deserve this treatment under this current administration adena yaya ndisi aban ko a omo ba ye asumdwe ebi ni Ghana edi adia madawromo ebi ana omo nyawe yesre media houses yesre 78 million ebesa momo ntwe ma ne nsansa na maka ese beka sesan na moka mun hyase enka. These are topics and I say issues nyese wo de bo apan na chi o but mun nyina mo de manutuma at least nipa bi mutie mu kura na omunya abotoyem ebesere se mo man nya national issue na sabio ye nuanom anase mma ene nkwala ne mrewofo ena sabio omo so ho aka adwama nipa ewuo no.
Where is Honorable Abelakwa, our foreign affairs minister? Over 48,000 Ghanaians are refugees in Cote d'Ivoire, and the minister has not seen it prudent to issue a single statement. Neither has he visited them. Meanwhile, this was the same person who went to Ukraine when he wasn't even a minister to try to behave as if he cared so much about Ghanaians. Today, that mandate has been given to you. For 2 weeks now, as a foreign affairs minister, you've not issued a single statement. Neither have you visited them. So it's pick and choose. Propaganda suffices for you more than the lives of Ghanaians. Time will expose you.